Welcome to Interesting Data Comparison Channel.
KAJUKENBO, Hawaiian hybrid martial art for practical self-defense. Salambam, South Indian martial art with intricate stick fighting techniques. Lam, Senegalese wrestling blending striking, throwing, and grappling with cultural celebration. Kendo, Japanese martial art focusing on swordsmanship with bamboo swords and armor. Pankration, ancient Greek martial art combining boxing and wrestling. Judo, from Japan, emphasizes throws and joint locks for efficient self-defense and sport. Muay Lao, Laotian martial art uniting striking techniques with cultural heritage. Tai Chi, Chinese martial art emphasizing slow, flowing movements for relaxation and balance. Muskayuda, ancient Indian martial art blending strikes, grappling, and discipline. Colombian Glima, dynamic martial art with Norse influence, featuring grappling and throws. Taekwondo, Korean martial art emphasizing fluid movements and unique kicks. Kailiashtasu, traditional Siberian martial art blending survival skills and combat techniques. Nuba fighting, Sudanese martial art combining grappling, striking, and stick fighting. Singapis, modern Singaporean martial art merging traditional styles with contemporary self-defense. Savate, French martial art emphasizing precise kicks and punches, developed in the 19th century. Sumo, traditional Japanese wrestling with massive wrestlers and ring objectives. Ngolo, dynamic Angolan martial art blending dance with self-defense. Okichido, modern indigenous Canadian martial art blending tradition with contemporary self-defense. Wushu, dynamic Chinese martial art emphasizing intricate movements and weapons. Dem, West African martial art with striking techniques and unique hand wrapping. Art blending striking, grappling, and weaponry for self-defense and conditioning. Sambo, dynamic Russian martial art blending wrestling, judo, and striking techniques. Jogo Dubo, Portuguese stick-fighting martial art with fluid movements and precise strikes. Krav Maga, Israeli self-defense emphasizing quick, instinctive techniques. Real Aikido, Serbian martial art emphasizing practical self-defense techniques. Bovina, Vietnamese martial art combining striking, grappling, and weaponry. Sikarin, Filipino martial art emphasizing powerful kicks and footwork. Silat Malay, traditional Malay martial art with fluid movements and striking techniques.
Welcome to Interesting Data Comparison Channel.
Vacator integrates animal-inspired movements and cultural heritage into its diverse techniques. Tadi employs stick fighting techniques with a long staff, emphasizing rhythm and strategic movements. Lefway is an intense combat sport featuring strikes with fists, elbows, knees, and feet. AC Fighting, a contemporary Turkish martial art, blends boxing, kickboxing, and grappling for practical self-defense. Harmonizes dynamic, weaponry, and healing methods. Taekwondo focuses on powerful kicks, punches, and blocks. Showcases stick fighting techniques with a wooden staff, emphasizing agility and skill in offense and defense. Hapkido emphasizes joint locks, throws, and strikes for self-defense with fluidity and energy redirection. Martial arts cover diverse combat practices from global cultures, focusing on physical techniques, mental discipline, and self-defense. Muay Thai, Thai boxing, is known for its powerful strikes using kicks, punches, knees, and elbows. Kung Fu emphasizes fluid movements and philosophical principles like discipline and respect. Vale Tudo, a Brazilian combat sport precursor to modern MMA, features diverse techniques with minimal rules. Gleima, originating from the Vikings, is a traditional Norse martial art known for its emphasis on grappling and throws. Capoeira, developed by enslaved Africans in Brazil, is a dynamic martial art disguised as dance, characterized by fluid movements and acrobatics. Bando, originating from Myanmar, is a comprehensive martial arts system that encompasses striking, grappling, weapons training, and spiritual development. Karash, originating from Central Asia, is a traditional form of wrestling that emphasizes throws, trips, and grappling techniques, often practiced with traditional attire and rituals.
Please like and subscribe so we have the motivation to continue developing. Thank you.